Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue learning Chinese characters related to body parts. Today, we're going to explore the Chinese character Mao. Let's look at how it appeared in Oracle bone script. The earliest form was made of several intertwined curved lines, mimicking the soft, fluffy texture of hair or fur. Ancient people used this symbol to represent animal fur or body hair. In Seal script, the character didn't change very much. It still looked like two short, curved hairs attached to a longer strand. Over time, it gradually evolved into the modern character we see today. The original meaning of Mao is hair or fur on humans and animals. Because hair and fur are made of tiny, fine strands, Mao also developed the extended meaning of small or minor. For example,
眉毛 means eyebrows.
羽毛 means feathers.
羊毛 means wool.
Here, Mao directly refers to hair or fur on living beings. 毛线 means yarn. 毛笔 means a Chinese brush. 毛边 means frayed edges, tiny fibers on clothes or paper that haven't been trimmed. Here, Mao refers to small, non-living things that look or feel like hair or fur, including everyday materials and textures. 毛病 means a minor illness, a small fault, or a small flaw. 毛糙 means rough, not fine or polished. 毛躁 means impatient, rash, or not calm. Here, the meanings of Mao come from its physical qualities and extend to abstract ideas like minor, rough, or unrefined, or impatient or rash.
Now let's read it together. 毛
Mao.
Mao.
The character Mao is a single component character with 4 strokes: left falling stroke, 2 horizontal strokes, and vertical turning hook. Let's write it together. First, start in the upper left of the grid and write a slanted left falling stroke. Next, start from the lower middle part of that stroke and write a short horizontal stroke. Keep it level and don't make it too long. Then, below it, write a long horizontal stroke. These 2 horizontal strokes should be roughly parallel. Finally, start from the first slanted left falling stroke, pass through the 2 horizontal strokes, and write a vertical turning hook to finish the character. The character Mao is also a commonly used radical. Sometimes it appears as a component in left-right characters. For example, Mao, as in Mao Niu, the yak, a highland animal with thick, long hair. Sometimes it also appears in semi-enclosed characters. For example, Tan, as in Mao Tan or Di Tan, meaning a thick woolen blanket or carpet. One important note, the character Mao and the character Fa are slightly different in meaning. Fa refers specifically to the hair on a person's head, so it's more narrow in meaning. Mao is much broader. It includes body hair like arm hair or eyebrows, animal fur, and even plant fuzz. So keep in mind, Mao is a broader word for hair or fur, and it doesn't typically refer to human head hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.